Hey everyone, and welcome to the AV Script tutorial series. In this video, we're diving into what an AV script is and why it's such a valuable tool. We'll be covering how to create an AV script and take a full tour of the layout and toolbar. Let's start by breaking down what an AV script is. It's a format that utilizes a two-column layout, one column for audio and one for video. Audio information will typically include music cues, voiceover, or dialogue, and the video column will have a description of the visual that will accompany it. This approach lends itself to projects like commercials, explainer videos, music videos, documentaries, and more. Let's jump into StudioBinder and see how to create one. From within your project, navigate to the right menu in the left sidebar, then select AV Script to get started. Once on the page, click the new AV Script button and give it a name. I'm going to go with Shoe Commercial. Now that our AV script is set up, let's take a closer look at the layout and toolbar. As I mentioned earlier, AV scripts are divided into two main columns: audio for things like dialogue, sound effects, or music, and visual for things like actions, camera directions, or graphics. These columns work together to help you structure your script by detailing both what the viewer sees and hears at any given point. StudioBinder has taken this a bit further with columns for images in case you want to add reference images to make everything crystal clear, and duration to add specific runtimes, which is helpful if there are time constraints. For example, generally commercials have a runtime of 15 or 30 seconds. The duration allows you and your team to be certain that your video will fit within that time frame. However, you have the ability to hide any of the columns using the Customize Columns feature here in the More menu. This will allow you to focus on only the details you need. For example, if you want just the traditional AV script, you can only have the audio and visual columns visible. Or if you need to provide the voiceover script to an actor, you can hide everything except the audio column to keep them focused. On the toolbar, here on the left, you have a toggle to open or close the version sidebar. Within this sidebar, you can click the Add Version button here to create a new blank version of the script. And clicking the More button on a version gives you options to rename or duplicate a version. Duplicating a version of a script is handy if you don't want to start from scratch and just want to make a few changes while keeping the original intact. Next is the Versions drop-down menu. This allows you to choose to view either the active or archived versions of the script. Then we have the Share button, which we'll go over in detail in a later video, covering how to share your script with collaborators. After that is the Script Outline button. Clicking here opens a sidebar where you can organize your AV script outline, and it offers all the essential formatting tools. The formatting options include line type for setting headings and body text, font size, and numbered, bulleted, and checklist options. You can also insert links, images, and embed videos for detailed references. There's also a font color and font background to help personalize the outline, as well as a format removal option to reset any formatting as needed. Then there's the More button, which I touched on earlier. Along with the Customize Columns feature, there are options to print, export as CSV, and adjust the zoom level. Following that, we have the Generate PDF button, which allows you to create a customized PDF of your AV script. We'll go over more PDF export options in our exporting and sharing video. Finally, there's the Comment button, which opens a sidebar for adding and viewing comments. Comments are row specific, which means you can leave notes for particular sections and they'll stay attached, even if you move that row around within the script. And that does it for our introduction to AV scripting in StudioBinder. In the next video, we'll dive into populating the script. For more tutorials, check out our Academy page using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.